matrix representing an image. We're supposed to rotate that image by 90 degrees. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3 here. We have that 1, 2, 3 on the right side here. Yeah, so it was very tricky solving this question, so I did have to look it up. But pretty much the idea is you have to transpose the matrix, which transpose basically means turn every row into a column, and then reverse that column, and then you end up with this. So to transpose, you basically want to take everything that from the center, like everything on the right of the center, and swap it with. So 2 is going to be swapped with 4, 3 is going to be swapped by 7, and 6 is going to be swapped with 8. And the things in the line here just stay the same. And then after we do that, we basically flip the whole thing the other way. And to do that, we're going to start doing the transpose part first. Transpose, which you just want to calculate n, which should be the length of the matrix. Ctrl Z. And then for I in range matrix, actually I could just say range n. So you could, and then for j in range I to n. So if you think about this part, j is going to be everything from whatever I is. So let's say we've moved I to 2, we're going to ignore 4. If we move I to 8, we're going to ignore 8. And if let's say we use this one, for example, so we're going to have 5 included, skip 4, have 2 included, 6. So everything ahead of it is going to be included in the list. Those are the things we're going to perform the operation on, because we don't want to swap twice, because that will negate the swapping. And basically what you have to do is just swap the things, and you just want to say matrix ij, matrix j I equals matrix j I matrix I j. And that is pretty much it for transposing. And next you want to just rotate the matrix, and to do that we want to, I guess we want to go loop through the rows. So for row in matrix to start off, and I think you can use the 2 pointer for this one. So to create a left pointer, which is equal to 0, right pointer, which is equal to length of row, should be the same as length of matrix, because it's an NIN matrix, but -1. And all we have to do here is while L less than R. So that will allow us to basically not do anything if they're equal to each other, because there's no reason swapping at that point. And basically what we have to do here is we have to swap them. Sorry, my brain froze for a second. Which is equal to matrix R, and then we have to make sure that L is equal to, sorry, just trying to remember if you could do plus equal 1 and right equals 2 minus equal 1. I don't know if that's a Python thing or just Java, but we could just run and find out. Oh yeah, I did make a mistake. So I'm just swapping the left one. I forgot to swap the right one, which is matrix R. So something like this, and matrix L. And that should swap both of them. And if we run it, oh yeah, another mistake. I should do row instead of matrix because we perform the operation on the rows. Not the whole matrix, as the matrix is 2-dimensional. And you can't access anything that way. Anyway, technically this should work. And if we submit it, perfect.